Hello, everyone. Every morning is new. Opportunity to transform your life. Begin your journey with TeaBurn. Pure, original and organic. Simply add TeaBurn to your favorite morning tea. Combine TeaBurn with a regular exercise and balanced diet for real results. Boost your metabolism, enhance your energy, and kickstart your weight transformation. Start your transformation today with TeaBurn, the perfect companion for a healthy lifestyle. To the healthier, fitter you. Every sip brings you closer. Original and organic ingredients. These life-changing, healthy habits will boost your immune system and your overall wellness and will help you feel better in the long term. Sure, they might seem simple, but the results truly add up over time. Trust me on this one.